Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've got a question for you. Have you noticed your grocery bills skyrocketing lately? If you're following a keto or carnivore diet, you might be feeling the pinch even more. Today I'm going to show you how to save money on these diets in 2024 without compromising on your health goals. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our health tips and tricks. Alright, let's get into it. One of the biggest challenges with keto and carnivore diets is the cost, right? High-quality meats, fresh veggies, and specialty items can really add up. But don't worry, I've got some great strategies to help you keep your costs down. First up, bulk buying. Purchasing larger quantities of meat and other staples can save you a ton in the long run. Hit up your local butcher or wholesale club. You can often score great deals on bulk meat purchases. Next, meal planning is your best friend. Taking some time each week to plan out your meals can help you avoid impulse buys and reduce food waste. Plus, it makes sticking to your diet way easier. And don't forget about seasonal ingredients. Fresh produce that's in season is usually cheaper and more nutritious. Think of hearty winter veggies like cabbage and cauliflower, which are perfect for keto-friendly recipes. Now here's a surprising tip: affordable substitutes. Instead of pricey almond flour, try coconut flour. Swap out expensive cuts of meat for more economical ones, like chicken thighs instead of chicken breasts. One key insight that can significantly lower your costs is using online resources for discounts. Websites like Thrive Market offer great deals on keto staples. And don't forget about cashback apps for your grocery runs. Every little bit helps. To sum up, following a keto or carnivore diet doesn't have to break the bank. Bulk buying, meal planning, using seasonal ingredients, and affordable substitutes are your go-to strategies. I'd love to hear your money-saving tips in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more keto and carnivore diet advice. If you want to know actual working methods and tricks about health hacks, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.